little nighttime crawling with Matt's new Axial Deadbolt. He just got in today. I got my Bronco here. Finally got my new tires on with the new rims I got in today. Not looking too bad. I kind of like the white. But we're gonna mess around on the snow hills a little bit. See how they handle.
Matt just walked out.
Matt's over there with his deadbolt with no lights attached right now.
Exactly. I gotta try those other tires, see how they go.
Yeah, those tires.
Those tires do not like the snow at all.
No.
Oh,
I mean, mine's probably not gonna be much better.
In the snow we go.
Yeah, but at least you're moving. Oh. There you go.
Make a pass. There we go. Straighten up. There we go. Come on.
Woo, you can do this. I think it's coming, Daddy. Want me to give you a little push?
No, it's fine.
I got snow in my shoe. I will go get my push.
Alright, I'm gonna grab it, guys. I know I'll be able to make it up, but I don't want to burn out my motor. No, but I'm definitely digging these tires and wheel combo. Guys, definitely in the comments, let me know. Ooh, yeah, something smoking. See, going through that too much. My motor is fucking not liking that. Whatever, she's getting a new motor anyways, so I'm just gonna run her. But back to what I was saying. In the comments, guys, definitely let me know. Should I go back to a Chevy Blazer, or should I stay with the Bronco? Because I want to get a new body so I can paint it and everything. But I'm not sure if I should do a Bronco or go back with the Blazer. Let me know in the comments, guys. Because I definitely need help with this. But yeah, she's smoking still.
What happened?
She's smoking. No, get your hands out of there.
Did the glass
see it.
broke? But it haven't been like that.
It's been like that.
We're
He's
getting
smoking
back.
in there.
I'm jumping on this fire.
Still running though. She's running hot.
Daddy, look at I am. I'm on the snow. Hey, Daddy, you know that card, the green card?
I definitely gotta get a new motor for it. Let me know, guys, and also in the comment what's a good motor out there, whether if it's brushless or brushed. I was gonna do another 2-in-1 fusion
Daddy's
combo,
smoking.
but I'm not sure because the one I had I burnt out pretty quick. Oh yeah, she's.
Sure, Daddy. You know that card that we
I
gave
should stop
him?
with it, but I mean, that's not me though.
Well, the Christmas card is
I just
gone.
run it.
The green one?
Maybe I'll run in low gear.
Daddy, look at me.
Oh yeah. Up on the little porch for the pool.
Yeah. But now the pool, we took it down a while ago.
Yeah.
I still miss it. I just want to swim in it again.
Oh, we will next year.
Yeah. Daddy, on my birthday, can we set it up?
Yeah, maybe because your birthday is in June. We might have it set up before then, though.
But I hate how Luke died. Because he like had the same party. I'm up here, guys.
Oh, I'm bottomed out in the middle.
You know where Matt went?
And she's still clam bacon in there.
Ah,
There you go.
you can do it.
Cut that little hump down a little bit. That would have been a sick line that I just did.
Daddy, should we go to the track?
Oh, my front tire sunk in.
We don't have
Guys, my front tire sunk right into the snow. It was riding on the snow pretty good.
Want me to get it up?
Yeah, because my motor's already smoking. I don't want to. Normally, I would sit there and try my hardest to get out, but my motor is kind of already going. Come on, get up there. Get up there.
You can do it.
There we go.
You know where Matt went?
No, you guys know me. I would have definitely tried getting up there, but you guys seen it with my motor already smoking. I'm not gonna chance it. The kids getting all excited for Christmas.
And then Christmas Eve, and then Christmas. Whoa.
I got my Christmas present today. Those rims. I had to get myself something.
Daddy, let's go on that hill. Probably the track might be out. Daddy, I'm up here. Let's just shoot off now. I think I see McKenna. That's the one I was talking about.
Oh, and another thing, for all you guys that liked my Traxxas Max video, I'm starting to work on that again. So I should have that up and going shortly. Because, I mean, my Max videos got more views than any other videos. So I want to work on that again and start bashing that all to pieces.
Hey, Daddy.
That was a fun talk, that was for sure.
McKenna needs help with the TV show, and I don't know how to do it. You want to come on too? Let's dance. Oh, Daddy, today in school, and with Miss T, that I was talking about. Well, we had a dance party today in school.
Yeah, you told me that.
I know, but
Was it
I want
fun?
to tell them. Yeah.
Oh, she was telling you guys that she had a dance party in school today.
Yeah, I hid it from Miss Harden. All of us did.
I'm just having fun going over these ruts that my plow truck made.
Hey, Trap, you want to go to the track? Come on. Hey, Dada.
I lost the drive shaft somewhere down here when it was all water and muddy. I have no idea where it is.
Let's look over here.
Sooner or later, these snowbanks are going to be hard enough where I can actually make nice lines on them and stuff. So Matt and I could sit there and challenge each other. Right now they're kind of soft, so I can't really make anything out of the hills. It usually taking that long time to change those tires around.
Blue.
Alright guys, Matt's back. He put his other tires on, so we're gonna see how good the traction is now.
These are the Endura ones, so.
Dad, can I drive yours now?
Yeah, so my motor's been smoking. No, you'll see it on the video, but I'm still running it because I mean she's getting an upgrade eventually.
Motors are cheap anyway, so.
It's not like it's on fire yet. Even if it was, we got snow to put it out with.
Exactly. These are wider tires than the soft ones, so.
I mean, you wouldn't have made it up to where you did with the other ones on there, that's for sure.
No, no.
I don't even think mine will make it up there. Mine's fucking, like I said, smoking. Oh, it was smoking. Is it still smoking? Nope, not yet. Someone's clam baking the truck. Let's get this baby smoking. We all like seeing those smoke motors. Yeah, that was just thinking. No, see, the ruts over here and stuff are fun.
Smoking bad over there. It's like it was cooking. Hi.
I do like these.
There's bad ice right here, so watch it.
Okay, I do like the wheels and tires on these ones from the car.
Right.
They're not as tall as the soft, but they're wider.
I mean, look at my tires. My tires are small, and I mean, they're small for the way it's
No,
lifted.
but they look like they have grip, though.
I kind of like them. I want to put my other shocks on there that will lower it, but it has a major drop zone on the shocks. So it'll give that extra flex.
There you go. Ooh.
Just wait till the snowbanks get harder. We'll be able to make some line through it.
Daddy, my hand's freezing.
I mean, I noticed since I'm riding in low gear, it's not smoking as much.
So you might want to just do that for now, for the time being.
Daddy, can we make it to the track?
No, I don't think we will be able to. I mean, I don't mind trying, but I don't think I'm gonna make
That
it.
sounds probably really good.
That's what I was gonna do. Alright, move Makai for a sec because we're gonna try to get up. I mean, once you actually get it going on that snow, you don't want to stop.
Exactly.
No, I'm just gonna ride, Raid.
Daddy, I really want to receive for Christmas a Santa.
I'll let you go.
And then I can make videos with you and guys.
Just need to make a track.
Not gonna work.
It'll work. You just need to work it in there.
Like instant on,
There we go. My daughter's making foot marks. There we go. We can make it. See, you have no problem. After me and Micaiah get it done for you.
I got little footprints.
We're making it.
You got this far.
Dang, we're not even down there yet. Thank God for kids. They can make trails for you. We need to go to the rock crawling course there. Trail maker. That's really good for trying to cut in line. Yeah, try to cut me now. Go ahead, push me. Man, my bumper's being a plow truck.
Oh my
It's like got a pile in front.
See, that's why you usually have plows.
Good news, guys. My truck's not clam baked yet. I'm just feeling out. These tires look good. And Matt just drives along. Alright, Matt, go ahead. You be the leader now. What's the U slide? Hey, that's not fair. What the fuck's what is this shit? That's it. My daughter just made a better path down here.
I'm gonna play in the snow, Daddy.
Yeah. Alright guys, this video is getting a little too long. So we're probably gonna still mess around with our trucks, but I'm gonna stop the video at this. If you guys enjoyed this little night run in the snow, definitely leave a like, guys. Subscribe, and like always, we are out.
Goodbye.